Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Lenovo Tab P12 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers that are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out and recreate my steps on your own browser. So as I said, let's open it, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Instead of this update icon, I've got instead of the three dots icon, I've got this update icon, but it is basically the same. Now all we have to do is to enter the history, and here we've got all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data at the top. And here we've got basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, inside data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, saves passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days or all time, up to you. I'll choose all time. And then simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.